Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to talk about a 2025 Longhorn Limited. I've seen a few little video clips on YouTube about it, but nobody really talks a whole lot about what happens if you want bigger tires. What if you want a leveling kit? So I'm here to tell you about it. I put a 2-inch leveling kit on this one. I put 285 60 R20 tires on here. I used the Toyo Open Country ATs. It's an amazing tire. I had it on my last truck. When you get into the Limited and the Longhorn Limited and the tungsten level, you get the inline V6 high output, twin turbocharged, 540 horsepower, 510 foot-pounds of torque, I believe is what it is. It's got the ram boxes on it. Love the ram boxes. Never had them before. Never had a ram before, but I really do like these. You can put up to 150 pounds in each side on the 1500 series. Nice storage in there. They say you could even put ice in there and use it as a cooler because it's got drain plugs in the bottom of it. Got a switch for turning the lights on and off inside. A couple nice things I like about the new styling is the little flare back here towards the back tire. I think that looks really sharp. These tires are a little bit wider too. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive. Love the chrome bumpers. Tailgate's pretty cool. This is an option. So it opens that way. You can step there. And I did put a Retrax bed cover on it. I like this because it really, it's hard for people to break into the truck. You can see on the inside, you don't have the fender wells in there, but yeah, I'll be honest with you, that was a lot of lost space anyway in all my other trucks. Also with this design, it hasn't leaked yet, knock on wood. It leaked a lot on my F-150 King Ranch that I had. You can also open these doors this way if you'd like to. Pretty cool. I have a trailer and a side-by-side, and I put all my little ratchet straps, tie downs, in on this side. This one also has a plug in case you need to do anything. It's awesome. So another cool feature that I saw this one guy on a video, and he didn't really talk about it. All he had a question was what this was for. He thought it was just to raise the seat up and down, but it's not. Actually, when you hold on to it, the rear seats recline. The other one does as well. The whole two-person bench comes out. So another awesome feature. And then this little piece right here folded out and made a little storage box under the seats, which was cool. I'm sure you've all seen the other little storage areas that they have in the floor. Nice floor mats. Armrest is big. Now you do lose a whole person's seat when you do that, but it's super nice. Still undecided about the fabric inserts that they did on these. I mean, it does make the seat super comfortable, but I don't know if they were doing it from a cost perspective just to save money. I mean, you know, if you have an $80,000+ truck and you say you have leather seats, you should have leather seats. But again, I don't know what the purpose was behind it. They did have some nice leather stitching, but again, you have a cloth here. Still trying to figure out all the features that the truck came with and what all it has. It does have the 12-inch screen, and it has another screen on the passenger side, and with that you can plug in like an HDMI cord from your iPad or whatever, the passenger will be able to watch a movie and they can hook in with their Bluetooth and have access to that screen. However, the driver cannot see it. It's got a privacy tint on it, so it doesn't distract the driver. And then just real quick, we'll look at the front. And love the chrome bumper. And the grill's really nice. Mirrors are nice. I mean, overall, I'm really pleased with the truck. It is smoking fast. I mean, I've seen where some people say that their time 0 to 60 in 4.7 seconds. I'm sure those are under ideal conditions, but I can tell you it's under a 5-second truck for 0 to 60. And I used to think the King Ranch with the EcoBoost was super fast, but this one will smoke it. And hopefully I don't have all the issues I have with the King Ranch. 4 transmissions, cam phasers, sunroof. It was a nightmare from the get-go. But anyway, I appreciate you guys checking us out. And, you know, just my take. I think the leveling kits make it look really nice. Love the tires. And again, appreciate you guys stopping by. Have a great afternoon.